I want to go ahead and show you some deals from Advance Auto Parts here. This is just their flyer. I found it from the store, and I'm going to go over this with you. I do want to remind you that it's going to be 20% off on online sales. And this is when you use the code SUNSHINE. When you use that code online, you get 20% off your deals. I think up to $50 off is the maximum. These offers here are good through May 22nd. First off, these Valvoline oil change bundles gets 5 quarts of Valvoline motor oil and a K&N oil filter, 29 for the high mileage, 36 for the full synthetic or full synthetic high mileage, and then $39.99 the extended full synthetic. This is the hot deal of the month, or hot deals of the month, I guess it goes for all these items in the black box here. The Autocraft microfiber towels, it's a 6-pack here. That's $5.99. 2 for $6. Just the little scent trees here, air fresheners, 3 packs. And you can mix and match here. Buy one, get one free of the Chevron Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner. And you can save 15% on any of the CarQuest brake pads and 2 CarQuest rotors, or a set of CarQuest brake shoes and 2 CarQuest drums. So that's 15% off there. The Castrol Edge quarts are $5 each with purchase of any Castrol Edge oil change bundle. And it has these points here. I'm guessing that's the speed perks. You get savings. I think when you sign up, you get like $5 or $10 off, and then you build up these points. I don't know too much about it, but that's what it looks like here. Buy one, get one 50% off on the Meguiar's Ultimate products. These are some of the examples here, like the detailing products here. And after mail-in rebate, save $24 when you buy 8 Autolite Iridium Ultra or Autolite Iridium XP spark plugs. And here it's saying save up to $20 when you get 5 quarts of oil plus any 1 oil filter here. For $32.99, you get 5 quarts of the Fram full synthetic or full synthetic high mileage motor oil and 1 Fram Force oil filter. For $28.99, that's 5 quarts of Castrol conventional oil and a filter. And save $5 on any Fram titanium engine air or cabin air filter. $19.99 for the Shell T4 diesel engine oil. That's a gallon. $43.99 for the Mobil Delvac heavy duty motor oil. That's 2.5 gallons. And then for $12.99, the Fram diesel exhaust fluid. That's 2.5 gallons for $12.99. And it's saying, don't forget we recycle used motor oil for free as well. Save 30% on 1 K&N oil filter when you buy 3 quarts of Mobil 1 motorcycle oil. $8.99 Seafoam treatment. $19.99 for diesel DEF exhaust and emission cleaner. Get close up on that one there. All right, next up is the battery section here. It's saying save $7 on the Shoemaker 3 amp battery charger. That's what this looks like here. That's from the DieHard brand. And from DieHard as well, they've got the 1/4 inch and 3/8 of an inch drive ratchet socket set. That's what that, it's hard to look because there's an actual paper here. Save $30 on the DieHard 3-ton low profile jack. I'm not a fan that they don't show the actual prices here, but I guess they're wanting you to get in store, go online and just check it out. And I guess when you do that, you can use a 20% off, but max you're going to get is $50. Save $10 on this Shoemaker Rugged 25 amp lithium jump starter. And that's what that looks like there. It's saying after mail rebate, we already went over that. Save $3 per spark plug, but you must buy 4. And then that's the same thing there. Or AC Delco and the Denso, there's the different brands there of the spark plugs. $19.99 on all Peak Original Equipment Technology antifreeze. And 2 for $12, some shop towels, a 2-pack. So $12 for 2 of those. $2.99 CarQuest Wherever .3 or .4 brake fluid. And then 2 for $10, the CRC Braclean brake parts cleaner. It says non-chlorinated. All right, this is kind of detailing items here. Wash and wax, wipers, lighting. It says 2 for $11 for the Armor All wipes. You can mix and match different types if you need. They got the original protectant, glass wipes, cleaning, leather coats. And this is Meguiar's Clean and Shine bucket bundle for $25. It includes the bucket, sponge, and 3 select Meguiar products here. You can mix and match, I guess, what you need for your car wash. Save $5 when you buy 2 Chemical Guys car wash soaps. And they've got the different kinds. They got citrus, and then the suds. I can't read that. Something ceramic wash soap from Chemical Guys. Save $5 when you buy 2 select Adams polishes. 50% off any Griot's Garage wash when you buy the Griot's Garage foaming sprayer. I might be pronouncing that wrong. And save $7 on the Autocraft microfiber towels, the 50-pack. Save $5 on the 2-step headlight restoration kit. It just says before and after there. And this is an after mail-in rebate on some HID fog bulbs or Sylvania Silver Star Ultra Bulb Twin Pack or 2 single packs. And some wiper blades. Save $8 when you buy 2 of the Bosch Icon front wiper blades. And this is a mail-in rebate on the Rain-X ones when you buy 2 Rain-X silicone Advant Edge wiper blades, and then 2 for $10. This is the Rain-X bug remover washer fluid. And this is a gallon, but you've got to get, or it just says 2 for 10. Oh, never mind. Must buy 2. There you go. I actually got some of the turtle wax when I went in and I grabbed this flyer here. I'll put a link to the turtle wax product just because I thought it worked pretty well. I may have overdone it in my last video a little bit. I think also because the hose was not working as well. It had a huge gash in the side of it. We'll need to get that replaced.